Hello everyone and welcome. Crazy cars in the hands of stupid drivers. Driving on the road is dangerous to others. A driver with a bad personality can cause terrible accidents. So, we invite everyone to watch. Both cars can move quite normally, but the stupid driver is making this road tense. The vehicle on the opposite side of the road is pressing.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
This fire truck has collided with the car at an intersection. That's not good. This truck is moving on the road and it has a bit of a problem. No, okay, that's a big problem. The white car is just stopping the black car. He's panicked and he just runs away. Hot-tempered driving will be very dangerous, my friend. The driver has lost control of the car, is overturned, and crashing into the divider. This car behind is annoyed with the speed of the car in front. He's not paying attention. For whatever reason, this accident has happened.
Bow, 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 bow. How's them sandbags and barriers?
This ultimate driver surely can destroy all of the landmarks on the road. Does he get more points for that? This guy is just trying to open the road despite the collision. Teach a driver how to observe when changing lanes. Now, it seems like this might be a one-time error, but the driver of this car has really serious problems. A car with an extremely strange collision, and the man started to panic. This car took a sharp turn and hit into the divider. That is an extreme shock of both cars. At the intersection of the red and green lights, the two cars have collided strong. The main cause is that the vehicle was moving at high speeds. Let's watch it again. This car seems to have a lot of problems, crashing into another car in the same direction, causing chaos. Oh, don't change lanes like that. The car is moving on the road, encountering an obstacle, and the car in front lost control and the driver is just poor. Obviously, this truck has a problem. Part of the metal of the truck is just fallen off. Yikes. If you're going to change lanes like that, the airbag will be deployed. This guy is just passing recklessly. The truck's wheel has totally just fallen off. It's rolling to the man who was sitting down. Fortunately, everybody's okay. But this red light, oh, the driver tried to pass, and the results are not good. And the driver was not paying attention to the pillars, causing an accident, and he overturned. This car has just lost control. What are you doing? The SUV was moving at very high speeds. It was trying to overtake, but the car in front showed signs of changing lanes. This car has hastily collided with the vehicle, changing lanes. The pickup truck and the other have collided at the intersection. Now, wheels have not been maintained for a long time. The owner of this vehicle will have to pay the consequences. High speed with a lack of observation at the intersection, and the driver overtakes with bad steering. This vehicle has just failed to change lanes. The driver overtakes and has bad steering. This vehicle has just failed to react in changing lanes in front. That is an out-of-control collide with the pickup truck and the divider. You can open the garage door just by using your car. Now, I thought it was okay to overturn and take the car, but he really didn't allow. The turn of this driver, he's just looking like he wants to show off. Oh, it sucks. The car in front has crossed lanes, causing an accident. Now, there is something that makes this driver look like he wants to cause an accident. An extremely strong collision with acceleration. The car was moving at very high speeds, rushing to the cars parked on the side of the road. At the intersection, he's run the red light, causing two cars to collide because he couldn't react to the situation. That is painful. But these cars are just liking to kiss. I am very confused with the car. It will take a lot to fix those cars. It seems poor visibility is causing this collision. But you can see that the front end of the car was damaged very badly. Now that's a bad truck driver. This car has lost its tires and it's still moving on the road. But maybe he's experienced an accident? I don't know. Well, funny man, eh? So thanks everyone for your interest in our videos. Remember, like, subscribe to the channel, and press that notification bell to receive the earliest new videos. Thank you, goodbye, and I'll see you again.